Every year, millions of pilgrims travel to the holy land of Saudi Arabia to perform Hajj, a journey of devotion, faith and reflection. But for many who do not know Arabic, navigating a completely new environment can feel overwhelming. From Arabic signboards to instructions to directions, at important Hajj sites, almost everything is written in Arabic or English. This language barrier can sometimes cause confusion and discomfort during a journey meant to be peaceful and spiritual. Hajj Suvidha app brings a simple yet powerful solution: translation feature. Once you logged in, you'll arrive at the home screen. Tap on the 3 bars at the top. To open the main menu, select Translation options. Here, you can type or paste any text you want to translate. Choose your preferred language: Hindi, Urdu, English, Arabic, and many more. The app instantly translates your text, helping you communicate clearly and confidently throughout your Hajj journey. Another add-on this feature is you can also click on the camera option to take a picture of any Arabic signboard or written text and see it translated instantly into your chosen language. Fast and easy. Translation options feature bridges language gaps, making your experience smoother, safer, and more connected. For every pilgrim, at every moment, Government of India stands with you.